Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how we can fix the Spectrum modem blinking blue and white. So the easiest solution for this specific problem is to disconnect the power cable and then wait for around 1 minute, then plug it back in to force a system reset. Now, the alternating blinking light means that your modem is trying to establish an internet connection but cannot establish a stable signal. So if a power cycle does not solve the issue, we then want to follow with the second step. So you just want to make sure that your physical connections is good. Ensure that the round pins on the actual coaxial cable are tightly screwed into both the wall outlet and the back of the modem. Now, if you're using Ethernet cable, make sure that that's plugged in tightly. And for wall outlets, make sure that your modem is plugged into a power strip. Plug it directly into a wall outlet to rule out power fluctuations. You also want to go ahead and check for local outages because this can result with the problem occurring on your modem. So you want to log in onto your Spectrum outage information page, and then you want to check if an outage is reported in your area. If that's the case, just wait for it to stabilize, connect to the internet later, and from there you should be good to go. Now, you could also contact the customer support if nothing works. You could also activate a new modem, which is not ideal as a solution. And if you want to perform a hard factory reset, there's going to be this small button for the reset. So you could just insert something like a SIM ejector, maybe a pin clip, or something that could basically fit onto the actual hole of the reset button. So those are the ways in order to fix the problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.